lahat yun, we all deserve to celebrate. Yeah. And I think it's so important also that you celebrate those wins, big or small, because it's an achievement. Pinaghirapan mo yun, celebrate.
Last question for you. Do you have any advice for aspiring actors na gusto ng long-lasting career?
Huwag magmadali. I know it's hard because syempre with social media, it's so easy to gain fame, right? Siguro, huwag kayo magmadali. Take the time to appreciate it because if there's anything that I've learned in this industry, as fast as you get up there, it's so easy to fall just as fast. So, take your time, take it all in, and be patient. Yeah.
Thank you po.
Okay, great advice. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman, from Random Republica, we have Kate at the heart.
Hi, and congratulations. We know you last year, you entered a new era in your life, your 40s, and you seem to embrace it wholeheartedly. What do you enjoy the most, and what do you find most challenging at this stage?
Siguro yung challenging, yung puyat, iba na talaga. Iba na yung puyat, iba na yung bangon pag puyat ka. But other than that, it's just a number. Everything else, like, nothing has changed other than that. Other than yung pagod, iba. Iba yung pagod. Pero wala. Yeah.
And what can you say na si Dalia is showing promise as a future recording artist?
Oh! Pinag-pray ko yun ng buntis ako talaga. Sabi ko, Lord, sana naging maganda boses niya. And she loves to sing. You know, if that's something she decides to pursue, I will super nurture that. Pero kailangan niyang aralin ng tama.
So far,
Nag-aaral na siya, nag-voice lessons na po siya. But I mean, like, seriously? Kasi nung nag-New York kami, we were able to watch, like, Wicked, tsaka The Lion King, and she seemed very interested. So parang, if that's something she wants to pursue when she's older, okay, I will support that. Hindi ko siya pagbabawalan. Dahil this is the career that, it's, di ba, it's my bread and butter. So, ba't ko siya sasabihin, hindi ka mag-artista? No. But nurture it. Pag-aralin niya. It's something I never got to do, yung serious, like, classes, go to school. It's something I would encourage for her. Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat. And let's hear from Lionheart TV, Richard Paglikawan.
Hi, good afternoon. Good evening. Congratulations on 29 years. So, ang busy na ng first half mo ng 2026 for you. Tapos may mga announcement pa kanina ng mga gagawin mo. So, pinlano mo ba yung 2026 to be this path? Paano mo nire-ready yung sarili mo para mag-contribute siyempre yung mga projects na planong gawin at tapusin?
I didn't expect 2026 to be like this, actually. But I'm grateful for everything that's coming my way. Paano tayo mag-prepare? Again, time management na lang. Kaya-kaya yan. But I'm very excited for this year, actually. Very, very excited.
Nag-bucket list ka ba? May mga list?
Meron naman talaga. Meron, lalo na personal for my family.
May mga pwede ka ba ma-share na bucket list?
It's more like travel stuff that I'd like to do as a family. Mga ganun.
Ito na lang, for your 29 years, nung nag-start ka ba, may isang bagay or parang isang pangyayari sa buhay mo na hanggang ngayon dala-dala mo na pwede mo ma-share sa amin?
Ano ba yun?
Nung nag-start ka as a young Ann Curtis, may pwede ka ba ma-share sa amin na pangyayari during your start sa showbiz na hanggang ngayon hindi mo nakalimutan? In your 29 years.
Ano ba hindi ko makalimutan? Siyempre, winning my first Best Actress Award was major for me, for Valer. That was definitely a super highlight para sa akin. Pero yung pinaka-traumatic siguro din yung, yung Viva, parang trade show. And then, may bukas pa yung show namin with Sherry Hill, Angelo De Leon, Zina Boniface, yata yun, and Kim Angelo, Kim De Los Santos. So parang isa-isa yung lights bubukas, tapos spill kami. Pag on na light, spotlight sa akin, nakalimutan ko lahat ng video. So sinabi ko na lang, may bukas pa, is may bukas pa. Is may bukas pa. Tapos pinatay na ako ulit. So that was something like core memory, hindi ko siya makalimutan. I was probably like 16. So yun.
Sige, mahanap na yan.
I know, right? Training show yun for 13, channel 13 yata.
Thank you, Anne.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Ngayon naman from Rider PH, we have Jojo Pananigan.
Actually, big ngayon ng theater, may bala ka bang sumubok?
I would love to, and given the time to really hone it and pag-aralan, I would love to. Lalo na kung music. Music!
Ano ba mga paborito mo?
For musicals, I would love to do Moulin Rouge.
Wow!
Ano nga ba talaga ang Moulin Rouge, di ba?
Role ni Nicole? Yung role ni Nicole?
Of course, Satine. I will love you. Or like, ano ba yung mga favorite ko? I also love My Fair Lady and The Phantom of the Opera.
Thanks. Kanina natanong sa'yo kung anong advice. Well, nasa posisyon ka na kasi na mag-mentor, 29 years na sa industry. Meron bang young celebrity that has caught your eye? At kung makakausap mo siya, pwede mo bang i-complete yung, ituloy mo lang yung pagiging blank?
Mga young celebrities ngayon.
Maybe from PBB or kahit sino.
Yeah. You want me to name the name?
Yes.
Ay, may naming of names. Sino ba yung mga young celebrities?
Ituloy mo lang yung
I will probably tell sino yung mga young celebrities na naka-work. This year kasi halos wala ako masyado naka-work na young celebs. Please sa Showtime. Sino ba mga naka-work ko doon? I think, well, just because I saw Ralph De Leon earlier on Showtime, ituloy mo yung pagiging smart, eloquent, and kind. Kasi bumabati siya. So, diba? And he's very, like, ang galing niya magsalita na witness ko siyang kanina ng Kuburado, and he's also part of YSP. So,
last question. Anong personal or career advice ang binigay sa'yo ni Boss Vic that aged well?
Actually, it's sinasabi lang niya lang sa akin, mabait ka. Lagi kang mabait. Which is, naano ko naman, I practically grew up with Ninong Vic. Parang siyang daddy ko. And the one thing he told my dad, sorry, I just remembered my dad. It's like, I'll never forget what he told my dad because I promise I'll make your daughter into a star. And my dad was eternally grateful to Boss Vic. So, sayang lang, we were gonna plan like I know Ninong Vic wanted to do a contract signing because we're gonna renew. Even if I don't need to renew with them because obviously my loyalty will always be with Viva. But it would have been a great reunion with Ninong Vic and my dad. But sadly, my dad passed away earlier this year. So. Yeah, sorry!
At ayaw kanina, natandaan ko yung sagot mo na Boss Vic really went the extra mile when he said na kahit hindi ka pa nga marunong mag-Tagalog,
Yes.
he would cast you just to open doors for you.
Yeah. And my dad, one of the 3 things my dad told me is that he kept his promise. And here I am, 29 years later, still here, and still a Viva baby.
Thanks,
Alright, fantastic. Okay, can we get some water from this?
Okay.
Alright. Okay, ngayon naman, from My Movie World Entertainment, we have Bernard Santos.
Hi.
Hi!
So recently, di ba, you've been into international events, fashion week, and entertainment events, and you meet some Hollywood stars, Korean stars. Can you share some elbow moments with them? Encounter na hindi mo makakalimutan?
It's always the conversations that you have with them before and after you're actually working. you know, you're always, for someone, like, especially like the actresses I got to interview for Disney, it was just like, they're also, you just realize they're just like one of us. Like, ipagchikahan lang sila. They appreciate na when you converse with them na parang normal. That's one thing I noticed also. Like, if you keep it natural, they like that. So it's just so nice that, you know, they're also very kind. So yeah, it's just having the conversations with them off camera.
And then kanina, may teaser na ako sino yung mga tatlong filmmakers na makakatrabaho. Sina Direk Irene, Direk Ruel, and Direk Nick McElren. So dun sa tatlo, can you make, ano lang yung you look forward mo with collaborating with them?
Lahat, because each one has a different genre. Which is something that I'm super excited and inspired about. So, yeah, I'm so excited to magpapahinga lang ako ng 1 month and then let's go. Let's do this.
But individually ba meron kang you look forward with the conversation or collaborating with individual?
Yeah, of course with Direk Ruel Bayani kasi last work namin is No Other Woman pa. So, ang ganda ng kanyang konsepto. I don't know if I'm allowed to say who's writing the script, pero ang ganda din na magsusulat ng aming manunulat. But it's a very Direk Ruel Bayani concept. So, nakaka-excite siya. It's not super camp, but it's, syempre may touch pa rin ng very konti. And mag-direct make naman, you know, I haven't done a psycho thriller in a while, and when his script fell into my lap, sabi ko talaga, ay, tagal ko na hindi ginagawa to, so game, let's go out of my comfort zone and let's do this. And with Direk Irene naman, pinag-uusapan pa lang namin, ano next natin gagawin? So, kasama ko siya kagabi actually, so we're discussing kung ano kayang genre naman gagawin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. We are nearing the end of the list. For now, let's hear from Rose Garcia from Marites University.
Ayan na, good evening, Anne. Yeah, hello. Ang una kong tanong, how do you feel? Kasi alam mo nakaka-enjoy ka kapag nanonood kami ng TikTok kami, lumalabas yung mga parang bloopers mo or yung mga, anong feeling mo na because of that, ang dami din napapasaya?
It brings me so much happiness. And you know, knowing that I'm able to make someone smile, someone laugh, it brings me so much happiness. Minsan dahil sa pagkalutang ko na nakakabi yung mga tao. So, okay lang, to more lutang moments.
Oo nga, okay. Then, nakita namin yung support ko kay Jasmine.
Yes.
Especially recently yung sa Stars on the Floor.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Ayan. So, kumusta? Yung kumbaga, yung sisterhood ninyong dalawa?
So good! Of course, she's always gonna be my baby. Kahit hindi na siya baby ko pa rin yan, di ba? Kahit rest day ang Sunday, hindi. Punta tayo ng GMA to support sa, di ba, laban. I'll always be her #1 supporter talaga. As an ate.
Okay. And palagi ka natatanong about Dalia, of course, but you and Erwan has been together for how many years na nga? Since mag-jowa pa lang kayo.
Kung mag-jowa pa lang, more 15 na yan.
Grabe,
Oo,
diba?
magaling na yan ako.
So yung 15 years na yon, kumusta na yung dynamic nyo ngayon as a couple and at the same time as a parents?
We're so chill. Alam kong nag-trending siya recently dun sa video niya, di ba? Ganun siya ka-chill. And I need a chill person to my crazy. So I think kaya kami nagko-compliment kasi sobrang magkaiba kami. So it works.